Hi, this is Frank Walker, and this is a Marriage Minute. I just wanted to share a little bit about my routine. When I started this therapy business, I had crazy hours, mostly working in the late afternoons and evenings. And I told my wife, I said, I am going to take care of cleaning the house. She was still working, and I've been doing that ever since. And so it's Friday, and I kicked my wife out of the house, and I'm cleaning the house. And this is how I clean the house. I turn all the lights on, turn on the music jams, and I get to it. I run around the house, and I do the vacuuming, I do the mopping, I clean the bathrooms, I do everything. In fact, I've got a load of wash going on right now. It has been a blessing for me, and it's been a blessing for my wife that I've been able to do this for her, and she can count on me. The only thing about it is I can't stand when she's in the house when I'm cleaning, because she just doesn't understand how guys clean, okay? I just go crazy, and I'm running around the house, and she just doesn't understand, and she tries to help me do it better, and guess what? No. So today she's at a women's Bible study. That's when I get it done. If she's here, I send her to the library, send her shopping, but I don't want her to be in the house when I'm doing my job, okay? It has been a blessing to her, it's been a blessing to me, and I own these floors now, okay? I just wanted to share a little bit about that, okay? God bless. Hey, thanks so much for watching.